Welcome. Dynamo Scripting is all about using visual programming to automate Revit tasks, control your data, and enforce BIM standards. No need for hardcore coding. Imagine telling Revit, do this to these elements every time with just drag and drop logic. Dynamo doesn't need you to type lines of code. You use nodes and logic flows instead, inputs, rules, and outputs. It works right inside Revit and can handle anything from tiny scripts to massive BIM systems. Think of it as Excel formulas, automation, and a Revit brain, all in one. First up, automation, the obvious win. Dynamo kills repetitive work. Rename hundreds of views or sheets in seconds, auto-create elements, batch update data, or pull info from Excel. You save hours and wipe out copy-paste mistakes. Magic, right? Dynamo turns your model into a smart, structured database. Read and write parameters, check for missing or incorrect data, and sync info with Excel or Power BI. Reliable data means rock-solid decisions. Ready to level up? Dynamo checks naming rules, flags non-compliant elements, auto-fixes common mistakes, and locks critical parameters. Standards are enforced by the scripts, not just friendly reminders. With Dynamo, you get automated model checks. It finds wrong categories, levels, or work sets, detects logic clashes, highlights abnormal values, and even generates audit reports. Your models stay clean before coordination day. Dynamo isn't just about management. It powers smart modeling too. Generate parametric geometry, create adaptive components, handle repetitive layouts, and use rule-based placement. Modeling gets faster with design intent built right in. Dynamo plays well with other tools: Excel, Google Sheets, ACC workflows, IFC data, and even Python nodes for advanced logic. Bottom line, without Dynamo, BIM teams babysit models and chase errors. With Dynamo, scripts do the policing and managers scale their impact. Welcome to true BIM maturity.
All right, crew, we're signing off. Go build, go create, and go show the world how it's done. Keep the energy high and the innovation louder. Till the next round, stay unstoppable.